Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 21st May 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 13 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. India finished the third Iloda Cup 2024 with how many medals?
Answer is 12 medals. The third Iloda Cup was held in Kazakhstan's capital city of Astana from 12 to 19 May 2024. The Indian contingent finished the Iloda Cup with 12 medals, 2 gold, 2 silver, and 8 bronze. Indian men won 4 medals, while the women boxer bagged 8 medals. Two-time world champions Nikhat Zareen and Meenakshi won 2 gold medals for India in the third Iloda Cup 2024. The first edition of the Iloda Cup was held in 2022.
Question number 2. The AFC Women's Asia Cup 2026 will be hosted by?
Answer is Australia. Australia and Uzbekistan have been confirmed as the hosts of the 2026 and 2029 editions of the Asian Football Confederation (AFC) Women's Asian Cup, respectively. Australia has previously hosted the AFC Women's Asian Cup in 2006. Uzbekistan will become the first Central Asian nation to organize the AFC Women's Asian Cup. Uzbekistan was the host country of the AFC Under-20 Women's Asian Cup 2024, held from 2 to 16 March 2024.
Question number 3. Who has won the men's single title of the 2024 Thailand Open Badminton Championship?
Answer is Lee Sedai-Jia. The 2024 Thailand Open was a badminton tournament held in Nimibuthar Stadium in Bangkok, Thailand, from 14 to 19 May 2024. Lee Sedai-Jia of Malaysia defeated Engika Long Angus of Hong Kong in the final to win the men's singles title. Indian badminton pair of Satvik Siraj Rankireddy and Chirag Shetty won men's doubles title by defeating the Chinese duo of Chen Bo Yang and Liu Yi in the final.
Question number 4. Lei Ching-te has been sworn in as the president of?
Answer is Taiwan. Lei Ching-te has been sworn in as President of Taiwan on 20th May 2024. He is also known as William Lei, is a Taiwanese politician and former physician, become the 8th President of the Republic of China, Taiwan. He has succeeded Tsai Ing-wen, who served as the 7th President of Taiwan from 2016 to 2024.
Question number 5. A two-day conference, India's Progressive Path in the Administration of Criminal Justice System, was organized in?
Answer is Guwahati. The Union Ministry of Law and Justice, in association with the Assam government, has organized a two-day conference, India's Progressive Path in the Administration of Criminal Justice System, in Guwahati, Assam, on 18th to 19th May 2024. The aim of the conference was to create awareness about the recent changes made by the government in repealing British-era criminal law and the enactment of new laws related to the criminal justice system in the country.
Question number 6. Central government has organized the ONDC Startup Mahotsav in?
Answer is New Delhi. On 17th May 2024, Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, DPIT, under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, organized the ONDC Startup Mahotsav, a first-of-its-kind event held at Vanijya Bhavan, New Delhi. ONDC Startup Mahotsav is a unique collaboration between Startup India Initiative and Open Network for Digital Commerce, ONDC, both are flagship initiatives of DPIT.
Question number 7. Which bank secured $500 million loan from International Finance Corporation, IFC, to support underserved women borrowers?
Answer is HDFC Bank. On 17th May 2024, HDFC Bank secured $500 million loan from International Finance Corporation, IFC, to support underserved women borrowers. This funding aims to empower women by promoting financial inclusion, income generation, and socio-economic growth. The funds will be used to provide microloans to self-help groups, SHGs, and joint liability groups, JLGs, under HDFC's Sustainable Livelihoods Initiative, SLI.
Question number 8. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of India First Life Insurance?
Answer is Rishabh Gandhi. The Board of India First Life Insurance Company Limited has approved the appointment of Rishabh Gandhi as its new Managing Director, MD, and Chief Executive Officer, CEO, for a period of 5 years, with effect from 1st July 2024. At present, Rishabh Gandhi is serving as the Deputy CEO of India First Life Insurance. He will succeed R.M. Vishaka.
Question number 9. Padma Bhushan awardee Narayanan Vaghul passed away. He was former chairman of.
Answer is ICICI Bank. Renowned Indian banker and former chairman of ICICI Bank, Narayanan Vaghul passed away at the age of 88 in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. He was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 2010. He started his banking career with the State Bank of India, SBI, as an officer. He was the chairman of ICICI from September 1985 to April 2009. He became chairman of ICICI Bank in 2002 following the merger of ICICI with the bank.
Question number 10. As per United Nations, what is the India's growth projections for financial year 2024?
Answer is 6.9%. The United Nations, UN, has revised India's growth projections for 2024 and expects the economy to grow by 6.9% for FY24. This is an increase from the earlier projection of 6.2% made in January. The report also predicts a growth rate of 6.6% for 2025, which remains unchanged from the previous forecast.
Question number 11. World Refugee Day is observed every year on.
Answer is 20th May. Every year, 20th May is observed as World Refugee Day. The theme for the 2024 World Refugee Day is Hope Away from Home. The genesis of World Refugee Day lies in African Refugee Day. In 1975, the Organization of African Unity, OAU, passed a resolution to observe 20th May as African Refugee Day to pay tribute to the resilience of those who had been forcibly displaced in Africa due to conflict.
Question number 12. International Tea Day is observed every year on.
Answer is 21st May. International Tea Day is observed globally on 21st May on the recommendation of India. The first International Tea Day was celebrated in New Delhi in 2005, with later celebrations organized in Sri Lanka in 2006 and 2008. The United Nations General Assembly has designated 21st May as International Tea Day based on a proposal moved by India at the FAO Intergovernmental Group, IGG, on tea in October 2015.
Question number 13. In India, National Anti-Terrorism Day is observed every year on.
Answer is 21st May. In India, National Anti-Terrorism Day is observed on 21st May to commemorate the death anniversary of former Prime Minister of India, Rajiv Gandhi. The day is also observed to spread the message of peace, harmony, and humankind and to promote unity among the people. Rajiv Gandhi, the 6th PM of India who was assassinated on 21st May 1991 at Sriperumbudur, a village near Madras, now Chennai, by LTTE's Liberation Tigers of Tamil Eelam, suicide bomber. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.